Hey everybody, this is Matt Bergman, and Visme is an amazing platform that you can use for presentations, documents, videos, and even whiteboard tools. And so today what I'm going to do is share with you one of the cool features for brainstorming, and that is the whiteboard feature. So first of all, you want to go ahead and click log in. And when you get into log in, then you'll go right here to your dashboard. Now this is where all of your different projects are saved. And as you can see, you can create a brand new project that could be an infographic, a presentation, documents, printables, very much like Canvas. I love this new whiteboard feature. This is a game changer because what you can do is if I open up this whiteboard feature, you can create a blank template. Now there's all sorts of premium features. If you want to get the premium feature of Visme, you can most certainly do that. But if you want to just use the free features, you can simply go right here and create a blank template. Now you'll notice down at the bottom of your screen right here, there is a dashboard. Now this dashboard, or not, a toolbar, I should say, has all sorts of different tools that you can use to make amazing graphics. As you can see, you can select things, move things, text. Right here, I have blank template, and I can put, my title, and then I can add things. So if I wanted to add right here notes, this reminds me very much of Jamboard, right? So if I click on notes, and I just click somewhere, I can use this. It's like Padlet or Jamboard, and I can move these notes around. I can even change the color of the notes, which are kind of cool as well. There's shapes, so you have some different shape features. I love these speech bubbles, and you can even change the color of the speech bubble, and then you can just start typing within it, okay? So what I did is I actually created this. What is universal design for learning? Something I'm very passionate about, and as you can see, this is what I created. So I created the title right here. I added the post-it note. I added the shapes like you had mentioned, or that I had mentioned before. But right down here, this is really neat. You can add emojis. So if you want to choose an emoji, you can do that, and then you can move it wherever you would like. There's also arrow features here where you can draw arrows. So if I wanted to do some type of workflow solution or some type of process, I can most certainly do that. And then there's even the drawing tool. And I love this because you can add your own spin to it. You can change the thickness of your marker and even the colors that you're using. Now, when you're other things that you may want to add to this are over on the left-hand side. So I'm going to choose selection, and I'm going to go right over here, and you're going to see that there's a lot of different things that I can add. So, I have fonts, I have diagrams, I have photo grids, I even have graphics that I can add. So if I want to add even some of these little mascots right here, okay, I can do that as well. Some of them are premium features. So you can see this is a premium feature. This one's not a paid feature, but this is a free feature, and I can move this around. So that's kind of cool to be able to add some things like that to your graphics. And then you also have where you have photos, you have theme colors. So if I want to even change the theme color, I can do that as well. And this will change some of the graphics that I'm going to be using and some of the other tidbits and tools. So how do you actually present this? Well, you could present this a couple different ways. You could present it just like this, and you can zoom in and zoom out. You can see right here I have my my little mascot right there, which is kind of neat. I can go ahead and close out of that if I'd like. So it makes it sort of a presentation type of tool as well. This is great for helping students be able to show their thoughts and their thought process on a canvas like so. And then you also have the download feature. So you can download this as a JPEG. The paid feature, you can actually download it as a ping. You can download it as a PDF with the paid feature as well. You can even make a video. You could present it online. So there's a lot of different features that you can use for the paid version. But hey, if you need to use the free version, the JPEG feature is great. Or you could do this. You could actually share this and click right here, share it so that it's published to the web. I did that earlier. And when you copy it and you paste it into a new tab, this is what it's going to look like for participants.